Hello and namaste to everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. So this video is just to give you guys a little update about our Trishul winter expedition. Unfortunately, we had to abandon our expedition, our climb, because the weather was just not favoring us. The westerly winds had come in, and along with it, it brought a lot of snowfall, a lot of snow precipitation. So keeping safety over success as our highest priority, we took a call. Our expedition leader Arjun Vajpayee, along with Ali and me, we took a call collectively that we need to go down. So here we are. So the highest point we reached was Camp 1 at 5100 meters. So we spent a night there, and then the weather was getting a little weird, so we came back down to base camp, and by that time the weather had gone completely rogue. So we spent a night at the base camp, and we decided to go all the way to the road head from where the trek started, Sutol, which is a 3-day hike. But we knew that we cannot delay our exit from the mountain anymore. So 3 दिन का hike हमने 1 दिन में कर दिया, and just yesterday we reached Arjun's home in Almora. So here we are. But the last the last 1 week has been completely phenomenal for me personally, because this was the first time I ever went on a proper alpine style expedition. Alpine style means you take no external support. What do I mean by that? You carry what you need in your bag. You do what you need on the mountain on your own, without any external support of guides or Sherpas or anybody like that. So it gets a little difficult, I would say, carrying 25 to 30 kg on your back every day for 5 to 7 hours daily, and then reaching the camp and doing all the work that you need to do. So yes, काफ़ी अच्छा experience था मेरे लिए ये, but थोड़ी सी फटकी भी हाथ में आ गई थी मेरी ज़रूर, compared to Arjun and Ali, who are extremely experienced in doing such climbs. So but yes, I'm extremely grateful to have gotten this chance to do the first ever winter attempt on Trishul with 2 of my favorite mountaineers in India, I would say, Arjun Vajpayee and Mohammad Ali from Ladakh. उन्होंने मुझे अपने छोटे भाई की तरह ध्यान रखा मेरा, and at every point I was learning so much, and I have fallen in love completely with this style of climbing. This is like complete anti-Everest, I would say, because on Everest, when you go on the expedition, all the hard work is done by your Sherpa. Like when you, for example, when you reach a camp after a long day's climb, you get served with hot water and tea or coffee, something like that, because the Sherpas are there and they have done all the hard work for you. But in alpine style, no, you do the climb, you reach the camp, you melt the snow, you make yourself hot water, hot tea. It's a little bit more challenging than it might sound, but I have completely fallen in love with this, and I have realized I need to be more strong. I need to be more sound about the small skills which goes into climbing. But yes, क्या ही बोलूँ यार, मतलब I have so many pictures and videos to share with all of you, which I will be doing in the next few days, in the next few weeks. So yes, this was the update which I wanted to give you guys. So yes, अभी Annapurna expedition next है. In the end of March, I'll be leaving India. So this was a very, very good training, a very, very good eye-opener in many terms for me personally, which I need to work on. So yes, thank you so much for all your support, all the kind wishes that I have been getting. I have been reading them all. It really keeps us going up there when the conditions are not in our favor. So thank you so much for all your love, for all your support, and Trishul, I will be back.